Hello students, today we are going to start here determining the directions of velocity in circular motion. Student, we know that here circular motion means here when any object move in a circular path in a constant speed, it is called circular uniform motion. But how can you show here directions? Suppose student, take here circular disc and put here any coin, 5 rupees coin or 1 rupees coin, any coin take here and put here. When this circular disc is start here moving, so what will happen of that point? When the circular disc is start moving here, the coin also move and it's thrown out of in a tangent directions. These are the tangents. See here. Okay, when circular disc start moving, this coin is move here and start thrown out here tangent direction. Tangent means here when a straight line is formed here in a circular path and form here 90-degree angle. Okay, 90-degree angles. So this straight lines are called tangents. So now the coin will be thrown off in the direction of the tangent, which is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. It's okay. Thus, the direction which the gets thrown off the depend on its position at the moment of getting thrown off. It means that as the coin is moves along the circular path, the direction of its motion is changing at every point. It's okay. Now we have to taking here examples. Here, page number 11. A kangaroo can jump 2.5 meter vertically. What must be the initial velocity of the kangaroo? A kangaroo can jump 2.5 meter vertically. What must be the initial velocity of the kangaroo? Student, listen to what is given here. So we know that here acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8 meter per second, and displacement jump is given here 2.5 meter. And find here initial velocity. Okay, u. So we know that when an object move in upward directions, their vertically upward direction, their final velocity is v is equals to 0. So now we have to return here. A is equals to 9.8 meter per second, s is 2.5 meter, and v is here 0. V is equals to final velocity is here 0. Now find here initial velocity. So according to Newton's third equation of motion, v square equals to u square plus 2gs. Put here value. V is here 0. Now u square is as it is plus 2. Now one more thing, listen, if any object move upward and it is come back on the surface of the due to the gravity, so the sign of the g is negative, that will be 9.8 into s is here 2.5. It's okay. Thereafter u square is equals to minus plus minus 2 8s are 16, 1 carry 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19.6 into 2.5. It's okay. Thereafter we will get here u square is minus 2.5 into 19.6, it will here 49.0. Okay. So now we have to return here u square minus 49. This minus 49 take another side, it will be here u square equals to 49. Now taking here square root, therefore u equals to 7. 7 meter per second. The initial velocity is here 7 meter per second. It's clear? Now similarly, see here second one example. A motorboat starts from rest and moves with uniform acceleration. If it attains the velocity of 15 meter per second in the 5 seconds, calculate the acceleration and the distance traveled in that time. A motorboat starts from rest and moves with uniform acceleration. If it attains the velocity of 15 meter per second in 5 seconds, 15 meters per second in 5 seconds, Calculate the acceleration and displacement. The student listen carefully now in this example. What is given and what will find? Initial velocity u equals to 0 here because motorboat start from a rest condition. The initial velocity is 0. Now final velocity v is equals to given a 15 meter per second and time is given here t 5 seconds. Now find acceleration and distance, that is s. So now see here acceleration, we know formula here, change in velocity, that is v minus u upon t. Put your value, v is here 15 and u is here 0, t is here 5. After calculating we get here 15 by 5, 5 3 is 15, the 3 meter per second. The acceleration is here 3, a is equals to 3 meter per second. It's clear. Now find here distance. So we know that here formula of distance according to Newton's second equation, s equals to ut plus half at square. S equals to ut plus half at square. That's okay. Now put your value, u is 0, t is here 5 plus half, a is here, we got here 3 into t square is 5 square. Now 0 plus half plus 3 into 25 because square of the 5 is 25. Now after multiplication we get here 25 3s are 75 upon 2. 75 upon 2 will get divide them 37.5 meter. Distance equals to 37.5 meter. It's okay.